is their 12-inch Gabrielle Union Bob wig. It's 150% density. This wig has 4.5-inch parting space on it. To me, it's a lot because this is just a bob wig, so you're really not going to be doing too much with it. And you're really not going to do all that parting and switching your part and all that. I know I don't. But like I said, I got this standard little part and it's good. It's enough parting for me to get by because I'm not doing anything extra. So when this hair came, it came in this natural color. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it looks a little bit dark on camera. But in reality, it's super bright. It came light brown. The lace on it came brown. The cap size came a medium. Maybe that's why it fit me so good. I don't know if it's an option to like pick your cap size, but this is a medium and it fits really good. I really want to say it's like the standard head size, unless you just got a big old head. But my head is like a 22, I believe, a 22 going on to 23, and this medium cap fits. And this medium cap fits super good. I think my head is like a 22 or 23 or something like that. But I had no problems with the cap. It fits. Like, that's a good thing. Because I don't like when caps come too small because you really can't do nothing about it. Versus when it come big, you know, you can adjust it and stuff like that. But yeah, cap size medium. The lace came brown. Literally matched my skin tone. So everything was good about this wig. Like I said in the beginning, this process is not going to be long because it was so easy. I did the glueless method. So I want to mention this hair does shed a little bit. Like if I'm just taking my fingers through it, especially towards the ends, like I'm taking my fingers through it like this, I get a few little snags here and there, and that's pretty much it. Not too much. It's not a major shedding issue, but you do get a few snags when you run your fingers through it. But if I had to rate this hair, I'd probably rate it a 9 out of 10 because everything was perfect except the fact that it didn't come black. Like, I love black hair, so when hair don't come black, I gotta dye it. I don't know if I showed y'all the packaging, but this is how the box came. It's this hot pink box with OMGHerHair on it, and it's super cute. And it has their social media like down below, and inside the box it just came with my stuff. And they probably sent you a little card, I'm not sure. Came inside a plastic bag. And they have all the details on the bag. So everything you need to know about your wig is going to be on the bag. So y'all make sure you check out OMGHerHair. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so y'all can know when I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Alright guys, this is the finished look of this simple yet so easy lace frontal install. Literally no glue, no adhesives, no none of that. This is technically like the glueless method. The only thing I have laid down are my edges, and this is how it looks. I think the thing that I liked the most about this wig was that it came pre-plucked and bleached already. Like, I didn't have to go in and bleach no knots. It already came bleached. I was super excited. When I put the lace onto my head, it was the perfect match. So I was so, like, y'all, I was so happy about that because I hate bleaching my knots on my wig. So yeah, the knots already came bleached. I literally didn't use no tweezers on this unit at all. I didn't have to plug nothing. When I did my part, I used my hot comb method, and it just made the process so simple, and it like sped it up. So it come pre-plucked, it come bleached. It do have an elastic band in the back, and it have like combs, as y'all seen. It's like combs throughout the wig, and it has this like band in the back. Y'all gonna see me doing it in the video. I'm gonna be attaching the clips to the band in the back to tighten it up. And it's super tight right now. Normally I don't really wear my wigs tightened unless it's too loose, and this wig wasn't too loose, but I still wanted to tighten it up, and it's just extra security. So when the wig did come, it came with an elastic band inside the box, but literally you're not going to have to use that because this works perfect. All you're going to do is cut the lace off in the back, and you just want to use that elastic band. So this is how the elastic band comes. It comes in this little packet like this, and then it comes with like the bra strap adjustable band, I guess. Let me see if y'all can see that. And it's pretty long. I'm not going to use it because, like I said, this back part is doing really good and it's super tight. But I guess this is for people, you know, who need that extra security. But like I said, this is enough security for me in the back, so I'm good.